Hello everyone! This video contains a step-by-step guide in problem solving using our Venn diagrams. Let us start first with this situation. We have three sets, A, M, and L, and we have this situation here. The question is, how many students do not prefer any of the three? To do that, or to answer that, let's start by making a Venn diagram. Take note that in a given, there's no situation that depicts any of the sets intersecting. So we have three different circles here representing three different sets and simply place the values inside. To complete this, let us not forget to make sure that our universal set is 30 per given. The total of any numbers you can see inside is 29. So we still need one more to be placed outside the circular figures but inside the rectangular figure. And whatever number is placed outside the three circular figures is the answer to the question. There's only one student who do not prefer any of the three. Now, what if we'll add intersections? It is given that set A and M are connected, as well as set M and L. Same question, how many students that prefer any of the three? Step 1, we need to make a Venn diagram representing the sets. Where A and M are connected, M and L are also connected. Step 2 is to start placing the given in the intersections. So 5 prefer both anime and manga. 3 prefer both manga and live action. So we have those numbers there. And then we need to complete each circular figure by subtracting already given values inside. So we have 14 who prefer anime, minus 5, which is already part of the intersection. We have 9. 7 for the live action, minus 3, which is part of the circular figure already. So we have 4. And for set M, we have 12, minus the given two numbers, 5 and 3. So we need to have 4. Step 4 is to complete our universal set. We have again 30 students. But the total of all numbers inside is 25. So we need to place 5 outside the circular figures but inside the rectangular figure. The rectangular figure pertains the universal set. Step 5, whatever is found outside the circular figures is the answer to your question. How many students do not prefer any of the three given? Now how about if all sets are interconnected based on the given? And the question still, how many students do not prefer any of the three? Step 1, we need to make our three different sets interconnected and start with the centermost region given by 1 prefer all three. And then we work with the remaining common regions. 5 prefer both anime and manga, but there's already 1 inside. We need to add 4. 3 prefer both manga and live action, but there's already 1 inside. We add only 2. Also 3 prefer both anime and live action. We only need to add 2. Step 3 is to complete each of the sets. Please consider the values already given. So 14 prefer anime, but we already have 4, 1, and 2. Subtract all of this to get 7. 12 prefer manga, but we already have 4, 1, and 2 on the circular figure of M. We need 5. And for the circular figure of L, we have 7 subtracted by 2, 1, and 2. We only have 2. Step 4 is to complete a universal set. The given is out of 30 students. The sum of all values inside is 23. To complete 30 students, we need 7. And 7 is to be placed outside any of the circular figures. Step 5 is to answer the question, how many students do not prefer any of the 3? The answer is 7. We could also add other questions here, such as those who prefer anime, manga, or live action only. These are the basics in using Venn diagram to solve problems.